Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this first-rate ceiling fan from POCHFAN. Now, this fan has so many intuitive features. To start with my favorite, it has a very powerful fan. While the blades may be smaller than what you're used to, they were smaller than what I was used to as well, don't let it deter you. They really push the air down, especially on the highest speed. I live in a really hot area, so having a powerful fan is important to me. But if you live in a cold climate, the fan blades can also reverse to pull up that warm air. Now, the fan blades retract automatically when not in use, which is something I had never seen before. I love that they are out of the way when they aren't in use. And the light itself is very bright. It comes in 3 different light temperatures, a warm, a white, and like a daylight. I love being able to change the temperature just depending on how I feel. And if that wasn't good enough, it also comes with a remote. It is so convenient, especially when I'm going to bed for the night. I can just turn off my light without having to get up, go to the switch, and then walk back to my bed in the dark. So if you're looking for a ceiling fan, you will love this one from POCHFAN. Now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.